So here I'm going to go through how to calculate the line given two coordinates. So the first thing we need to do in order to try to calculate a line is make the coordinates appear on our graph by putting them into a table. And so we're going to use the coordinate 2, 7 and 4 and 30. And once you put the coordinates into the table, you will see them plotted on your coordinate plane. If you want to change how it looks, remember to change your viewing window by either using the zoom in or zoom out feature, or you may hit the wrench and change the domain or the range, which would be the x-axis and the y-axis. We're going to leave it here as it is right now, as we can see both of our coordinates. So if we want to calculate the line between those, we need to understand what the equation of a line is. And that is y equals mx plus b. Actually, that's one way a line can be written. So when we enter to try to calculate the line, we have to use a y sub 1, and then we not use an equal sign. Instead, we use a little approximately equal to sign, squiggly looking thing. It is on a keyboard. It is in the upper left hand corner right next to the 1. It's the shift of the thing that's next to the 1. And then we type in our equation m and then use x1 plus b. Now the reason for the y1 and the x1 is because that is where our table is at, x1 and y1. And once you have that done, you can see that a line has been drawn for us with m equal to 11.5 and b equal to a negative 16. And if you use your cursor to click on the line, you can follow the path of the line up and down, and you can see it crosses the x-axis at 1.391 and it crosses the y-axis at a negative 16. And our two coordinates we have are 2, 7 and 4, 30. Now what's even something else that you can do with this is now you can figure out some more coordinates, integer coordinates of this line. If you go down to your next available slot to enter something, type in the equation y equals and use the parameters up here, 11.5x minus 16. And that should mirror the line you have in 2. And then if you go up to the edit the list and turn this into create a table, it creates a table of, here's 5 different values. If you want to figure out another coordinate, say you want to know what happens when x is 100, you can just type in 100 and it will calculate that the coordinate is at 1134. Well, if you want to know if that is true, right there it is. And so there's how you can use Desmos to calculate the line between 2 points and then also find other coordinates on that line.